Hi, I'm Lieutenant Commander Sumanpreet Garewal. We had welcomed the IS Sagar team for Harbour Training Program at Signal School, which comprised of 10 officers and 8 sailors from different countries.
In this part, we learned the GMDS set and tactical maneuvering, fiber optical operation, as well as we learned the semaphore practice.